friends, how are you all? So today I am going to show you how to make a lamp with the plastic bottle. So for this you need two small bottle and one big. Then take the big bottle and mark it as per direction. Now cut it. So now we have cut it. Then take one small size bottle and mark it with the help of a marker, and we have to cut it along this mark line. Okay, so we have cut the small bottle. Now you have to make the mark as per direction and you have to cut it. So as you can see that I am cutting this bottle with the help of a scissor, and you have to cut up to the bent portion of the bottle. As you can see in this video, then take the cutting portion and bend it. Then you can make it just like that. Now give a shape to the cutting portion. I am making the shape of a leaf. With the help of scissor I am cutting it. Okay. Give the shape of leaf to all the other cutting portion. Now take the big bottle and mark it as per the video and then cut it with the help of a scissor. Just as same with the what we have done with the small bottle. And now here with the alternate way you have to bend the cutting portion. That means one outside and the other one to the inside. So in this way we will bend the cutting portion. As you can see in the video. Next, bend from the middle of the cutting portion and put it inside the bottle. Now the outer cutting portion that we have, again give it a shape of a leaf. And then you have to bend it slightly downwards. And the portion that we have to the inner side, also give it a shape. As you can see in this video. So now it's ready. And here you can see that I am bending it downwards. Okay. Now take the small bottle lower portion and attach the big one with the help of hot glue gun. Again take the second small bottle and cut it as per the direction. Just make a flower like that, like the video. And again I am going to give a shape, proper shape, so that it looks beautiful. And now put the whole setup above the flower, and the first small bottle cutting portion also put it above the big bottle. So in this way we will make the whole setup cover the attached portion with the help of yarn thread. As you can see in this video, I am covering this with a green colored yarn thread. Now it's complete, so let's make it colorful. The lowermost portion, I am making color to the lowermost portion. Now color all the leafy part that we have made with the green color. So we have two leafy parts, one on the big size bottle and the other leafy parts on the small size bottle cutting portion. So now this is the total setup, as you can see. Now I am covering the lowermost portion with the help of color. So it's done, and now it's time to make some little flower to make it more beautiful and attractive. So as per the direction, you have to fold a colored paper, then with the help of pen or a marker, you have to draw like that from the corner portion and cut it. So let's see how it is. As you can see, it is a small flower. In this way you have to make lots of small flower, and then on the big size bottle we will attach all of them with the help of glue. See, it's beautiful now. It's very beautiful. Now we have to highlight them, the flower, as the color of the paper is little bit light. I am going to highlight it. Now I am covering the lower portion with a glossy paper, or here I am using a glossy ribbon. Now make a hole into the flower, in the middle of the flower, with the help of a sharp thing. And now take a string light, enter the side, and through the hole you have to put the bulb of the string light, just like the video, and then put the uppermost portion and put string light on the uppermost portion, just like the video, as you can see in this video. I am keeping this light on a side table so you can see how it looks. Please tell me, and thanks for watching my video, and if you are a new one, please subscribe my channel.